Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and safe at your places. And I'm believing this thing that you all are revising your work carefully at your places. Okay. So, continuing with the last concept that we had discussed in the last uh, lecture, that was based on your international system of numeration. In that, we had discussed that in the international system of numeration, we are having the place periods, ones, thousands, and the millions. Under ones period, we were having the places ones, tens, and the hundreds, and under thousands we were having the places thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and under millions we are having the places millions, 10 millions, and the 100 millions. I hope this much is clear to each and every student. Okay, so now the placement of commas. Okay, we should be knowing about this thing in the where in the international system where the commas should be placed in the number. Okay, so as we had already studied about the placement of commas in the Indian system, placement of commas in Indian system, that in the Indian system after the completion of each and every period we put the comma. Okay, so same is the concept for your international system of numeration. After the completion of each and every period we used to put the comma. Clear? So if we take the example of this number 7603,573, and we have to put the commas at the proper places. So we know this thing that this is ones place, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousand, this is 10,000, this is 100,000, and this is your million. And I had told you this thing that after the completion of each and every period we used to put the commas. If you see the number carefully, ones, tens, hundreds, our ones period is ending here, so we used to put the comma here. Clear? And our thousands period, thousands, 10,000s, and the 100,000s, our thousands period is ending here, so we used to put the comma here. Okay, so after the completion of each and every period we used to put the commas, and this is the rule same for our international system as well as for the Indian system. Clear? So number to be read here is 7,603,573. Clear? So once again I am repeating this thing that in the international system of numeration that we had already discussed that the periods are ones, thousands, and the millions. And after the completion of each and every period we used to put the comma. Clear? Let's take one more example. Let the number is this. Okay, and we have to put the comma at the proper places as per our Indian international system of the numeration. Clear? So if you see, this is our ones period, this is tens, this is hundreds. So the placement of the comma will be after the completion of ones period, it will be here. Then the thousands, then the 10,000s, then the 100,000. So placement of the comma will be after the completion of the thousands period, it will be here. So, and this is your million, and this is your 10 million. So what is the number to be read here is 87,353,876. Okay, so what is the number here? 87,353,876. Is it clear? I think placement of commas in the international system of numeration and Indian system is already clear to you. Okay, so moving back to our exercise, we had already discussed two questions of our exercise 1.5. Now, going back to the question number 3 of your exercise 1.5. So, in this what you have to do, you have to write the number in international and Indian system. You have to write the number in both the systems, international as well as the Indian system. The number in the A part, the number given to you is 684012. So we have to write this number as well as Indian international system and Indian system. Clear? So first of all, mark the places. I am writing this number as per your international system. Clear? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. This is for international system. And the placement of the commas after the completion of each period, ones, tens, 100, comma will be here. So number to be did here is 684,012. 684,000 at the 100th place we are having nothing. So it is read as 684,012. This is as per your international system of numeration. Now the same number is to be written in your Indian system also. Okay. So the same number is to be written in the Indian system also. So again the number is same 684012. Now we have to put the places as per your Indian system. So in the Indian system, yes, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Yes, after 10,000 we are not having 100,000 in our Indian system. We are having lakhs. Very good. So number to be did here is 6,84,012. Clear? What is the number here? 6,84,012. Clear? Good. Now the C part of the same question, the number here is 530764, and you have to write the number in the international system and the Indian system both. Clear? So first of all I am going to write this number in the international system. In the international system we know the places ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000s, 100,000s, okay, 10,000, 100,000 and your million. And the placement of the commas are after each and every period. So comma will be here in the international system, and after the completion of the thousands period we are having the comma here. Clear? So number here is 5,307,634. So what is the number here? 5,307,634. Clear? Now the same number is to be written in your Indian system also. So now put the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Yes, after 10,000 we are having which place in Indian system? Lakhs, and then the 10 lakhs. And the placement of the commas after each and every period. So our ones period is ending here. Okay. And our thousands period is ending here. So number here to be did is 53,07,634. Clear? At the 10,000 place we are having nothing. So 53,07,634. Clear? So now the last question of this exercise is write numerals for the following by separating with commas. Okay, now we have to write the numeral for the given number. Here the number given to us is, and we have to separate the number with the help of the commas at the proper places. So number here is, consider the B part of it. The number is 1,204,101. What is the number? 1,204,101. 1,204,000. 1,204,000. So what we have to do? We have to write this number in the form of the numeral by separating with the commas. Clear? So 1,204,000 and the 101. And after each and every period we had put the comma. Our ones period is ending here, so we had put the comma here. Our thousands period is ending here, so we had put the comma here. I think you all are finding it quite interesting. The both Indian system and the international systems are clear to you. And if in case any query you are having, then you can contact me. Okay, keep revising the things and do your homework properly. Thank you.